my boy. Good job. We're at a Halloween party right now with the kids at Hope Gardens. Yes,
You're a princess. You're a princess.
yes, yes. Taylor is having so much fun. You having fun? Come on, let's go. Go.
You have your ticket?
Yeah,
You okay like that?
Ticket?
Yes, he was a Black Panther. Very popular. These two.
Come here. Wait. Three.
Yeah, just show them up.
Person behind me. Thank you. Come, honey. What you doing? Hurry, you're blocking people behind you. This is called, oh, welcome.
We'll go and they'll punch it for you, okay? When you take candies. Yes, that's fine. Please come in. Welcome, very warm welcome. Scary trail to the left, to the right.
Take your bag, love. Thank you. I had 3 tickets.
Where's your other person?
Behind me.
Well, get them their bag.
Thank you.
Come on in.
Come on.
Scary trail to the left. And
Jump with me, right?
Okay. Scary trail to the left, and what kind of trail to the right? Hold your bag.
Left the scary one.
Right. Oh my God.
Welcome everyone. Remember no re-entry. Have a bag.
Tyler, look.
Hey, welcome to the zoo. Wizard of Oz on the right, Scary Trail on the left. Which one do you want to go? High five.
Where's Shan? Shan?
No, I'm sorry, I'm just a little scared.
I found the biscuit.
Shan, you look. Shan, your outfit is glowing. Oh my God. Oh, everything white is glowing. Oh my gosh, I look like a ghost. Baby, I look like a ghost. Look. Look at your mouth. Sean, look here, Sean.
was like the white, she was shiny.
Look at the golden. Tie my hand. Oh, so this is a trail?
Yes. Let's go to this side. Over there is the concert, but we're not going on the grass yet. Let's go through the trees.
This is so cool.
To take a picture here or anything.
Boo at the zoo. Tyler, go.
Jay, go, baby. You want to take a picture?
Yes,
You're a princess. You're a princess.
yes.
Open a dress like this.
Yes. Tyler is having so much fun. Spider-Man in his element right now. Tyler, go like this. Don't even stop.
We're going to Happy UK.
I know.
Yes, it's there. It's really
Huh? No, my phone not show it properly.
Sorry, photo.
My phone, the lighting, it's terrible. The camera is doing it well. So like I said, you guys, that's okay. You guys, like I said, we are at Hope Zoo right now, and we are at something called Boo at the Zoo, and it's a Halloween event, and Tyler is having the time of his life. And Justin and my goddaughter Jazara, I'm here with my two besties.
You have to straighten the foot more though. You got some. Let's go on the train.
Come Tyler, let's go.
No,
come on.
We should have wear costume.
Not true. No, we feel left out. We should wear a costume.
Don't worry,
Shaniel, you look angelic. I love it. Shani looks so nice.
Shan, next year we're planning from now. You hear? Yes. I wear it full black. I'm going as a vampire next year.
I will. I've already planned on it.
And you know how beautiful our
Tyler, look. Go show me a Spider-Man sign. This boohoo. Go.
Oh, Jesus.
Go, Ty. Go. Show me a Spider-Man sign. Spider-Man sign. Show your Spider-Man sign. Go like this. Go like this, Ty. Okay. Go, Ty. Yes.
Battle lip, Justin. Ninja.
Hey.
Come on, just let me take a photo. Again. Yes.
Tyler, him scary? He's scary, Ty? Scary, right?
Oh, you can smell them here. Yes. Yes, that's where we're heading to. The train is really nice.
Come on, Tyler. Wow. Wow, look at that costume across over there. Look at her. Oh, there's another one.
You're going to see so many things.
Oh my God. I'm excited.
So we're going through that. That's the trail.
Oh my God. Come, Ty. Baby, you okay? Tell me when Sarah crying so I can feed her.
Guys, it's better if you stay over here because the person coming up the bushes.
Wow, I love it. So pretty. Go, Ty, go. Oh my gosh. No. How cute. You want to go stand beside them? You want to put on your mask? Here. Okay, Spidey. Sorry. Awesome. You wanna go that way? Wanna go that way, babe? come. Oh, they're in the same.
It's pretty.
Trucking good food. Tyler, stay right there.
Alright, so actual spot on the stage. Okay, perfect. Alright, so what's your name? Alright, Zachary, what's your costume?
Cowboy.
He's like, duh, cowboy. Alright, what's your name? And what are you? You're a ninja. Alright, what's your name?
Neo.
Neo?
Food me I look right on the boat now, you know.
Neo or Neo?
Neo.
What you want to eat?
Okay, who are you, Neo?
What you want to eat? What you want to eat? Me smell jerk. Yes, it jerk man up your soul.
Who are you, Axel?
You want jerk? You want jerk?
Angry Bird. What are we talking about?
Okay. Remember one thing, we have 5K.
Perfect.
Because I pay 5K for the entrance.
You?
So much you pay for the entrance for the trail?
So 5K remains.
Who?
I mean, that should be enough food.
Oh,
Skeleton
or skeleton?
I'm getting jerk, jerk, jerk.
Okay, perfect. Alright, so by your applause only, ladies and gentlemen. One more person.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Come on up.
Huh?
I didn't expect the way you run
Alright, so here
What I should have done is stayed with Sarah and Tyler and send you in.
come in.
That's what I should have
John
done.
Ross.
But you can go do it and catch us back here because it's here, Sade, them coming. You sure?
Okay, alright, ladies
It's
and
fun,
gentlemen,
you
by
sure?
your applause only. We're gonna see who is the winner of this year's homemade.
Excuse me.
One side.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Honey, tap it on my head. Let me just tell you guys how busy it's starting to get on this vacation. You hear Sarah? Look at Sarah and baby behind me. Babes, good morning to the faves.
Good morning.
And Sarah saying good morning. Look at her. Say morning to the faves. She wanna sleep so bad. Anyway, you guys, we are dressed and getting ready for the day. Tyler will be back today, but Tyler will be back while I am out. So he won't see me until maybe tomorrow morning because I won't be back in this house until late, maybe early morning. I have an engagement today. I have an event to attend today. Look at my wig. I have an event to attend today, an event that I'll be able to film but won't be able to post in this vlog, so you guys will see it at a later date. But yeah, it's starting to get busy for me. The real reason why I'm on this vacation actually begins today. One of my best friends will be getting married, so today is bridal shower, so I'll be attending that. But we're going to the house to get ready and the makeup and all those things and rehearsal, so I'll be busy today and tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, straight up until I'll be leaving to go back home. So yeah, hopefully you guys will be enjoying today's vlog, whatever it is that I'll be able to show you guys throughout today's vlog, bits and pieces here and there. but I'll create something for you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vacation vlog so far. I love you guys for all the continued love and support, and just for being on this journey with us and enjoying our vacation with us. Anyway, if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe because you can keep up with the fam bam. I love you guys, and I'm actually getting ready to head out right now, so you guys will see Tyler later or some point throughout this vlog, but he'll be back today. So yeah, baby's gonna come with me and Sarah until I am heading out to the dinner later this evening. They're gonna come back here while I head to the dinner. That way I can breastfeed Sarah and actually pump enough so baby will be able to feed her tonight while I'm out. So yeah, here we go, shawty. Lego. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. I'm kidding. You guys, look at my dinner. Oh God, heaven. You guys, breakfast. Fried breadfruit, steamed callaloo, and ackee saltfish. Yes. Look at that. Goodness, my goodness. Heaven. Yeah, hot mess. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Baby eating just ackee and saltfish and breadfruit.
Breakfast time. Breakfast time.